What's up, everybody? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I know it's been a while. Last video I think was a trip for the Nationals. I started a couple of videos afterwards, but nothing too major. But yeah, here we go. As you can tell by the title, this is just basically going over the start or where the status of the car is for the end of the year. So I'm gonna try to get this out before the new year. Also, I might talk a little bit about what's coming next, but yeah, let's go ahead and do the cold start and jump into the video. Alright, I'm gonna go get the car washed first, but so you got the handprint. If you were following for a while, you know I had the handprint back when I had the Ultima. I had a blue one and I had the black one before that, but yeah, a little signature of mine I like to put on. So yep, I didn't want it to stand out too much. I was thinking about doing a white one, but I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing like that pink for the accents and things of that nature. But yeah, let me go ahead and get the car out and we'll take a quick look at it real quick. Alright, just a quick look while it's still pretty dirty. Did add the Instagram. Took forever. I don't know why I waited so long, but added. Went back with the old font too. I do still need to get my updated lineup banner too. Different colors. Ride height. Well, not quite. It's still adjusted to the ride height. There we go. That's the ride height. Okay, so might be a change of plans. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it started raining, and also it's traffic. So don't think I'm gonna get the car washed just yet. Probably just gonna go to a spot and record there. Yeah, good old I-4. Stay tuned. Yep, big change. Alright, well, we'll see where I can get this recorded at. Alright, well, that was a fail. I'm back, and over here it already stopped raining, so we're good. Made it back home. Alright, the car looks a lot better than it did before it rained. Still got a few smudges and stuff here and there, and the wheels look terrible, but overall, she's not too bad. Guess I'll start off with the differences. There's not a whole bunch different from the end of last year. I probably should have watched that video because I don't remember if I had the emblem. No, actually I did have the emblem. I did. So I didn't have the carbon fiber mirror cap covers. The ones I had were the fake carbon ones because I got that almost as soon as I got the car, and they were like less than $100. So now I got the real carbon mirror cap covers as well. And of course the car has been wrapped That happened at the very end of last year and the beginning. It started at the end of the year and was finished at the beginning of this year. So that has been done. As far as the car overall, because I believe that might actually be all of the actual changes on the car for throughout the year. But of course it's bagged, airlift 3P management, and I went with Low Life Projects custom air struts for the Q50. I have the all-wheel drive, and just to go over it again, I do have the full carbon front end. So I got the, I don't remember which version this is because I ordered version 1, but I was told they were sold out, and I think this is like version 5 or something. I don't remember the actual version. And then carbon fiber hood. Gonna have the impulse, whichever one you prefer to say, front end, full carbon. I am going to get the actual custom lip that comes with it, or for it I should say. They are just now starting to talk about it. It's not on the website yet, but I will be ordering that. And I do have the Z1 aluminum undershroud. I will be getting their aluminum oil pan when the all-wheel drive one comes out. And when I was there for Z Nationals, they talked about it and they showed me it, but they will be coming out with that soon, so I'll be getting that soon. And let's see, I still have my Vertinis on. Spoiler alert, I did just order some new wheels, so they should be coming. They're being built now, so they should be here in a couple weeks. Let's see what else. I didn't bother switching from this fake carbon spoiler because I have a full carbon trunk coming, so I was like, no point in changing that. Just gotta remember, I gotta take this off. Not sure what I'm gonna do emblem wise because the black on it, I don't know how that's gonna look, but we will see. And also still got the fake carbon rear diffuser because I'm gonna get the full carbon rear bumper eventually. That's not gonna be the next big purchase outside of the wheels. I'm probably gonna do the headlights before I do the rear bumper, but definitely that's coming as well. Got the roof wrapped gloss black, and this was done like within the first 6 months. Don't have a sunroof. I know it's not many Q50s like that, but I don't have one. Haven't really done anything on the inside. I just got a carbon grips on the steering wheel, but other than that, nothing's done on the inside. I do have lower downpipes by AMS, and I have Infiniti full exhaust, but yeah, no real performance. I haven't got it tuned. Still got a lot of time on my warranty, so I haven't really decided to go and get it tuned just yet. Been enjoying the car as is so far. No check engine lights or anything weird. Only lights I got is the no sensors, but I got these sensors so I can read what all of the wheels are. I do have my sensors, they're still on my stock wheels, so I do need to get those. When I get the new ones, I'll get them switched over. But overall, I think she's still looking pretty good. Definitely can't wait for the wheels to come in, because I'm getting a little tired of the fitment. I mean, the rear is cool, the front kills me, but it is what it is. I thought about switching the color, but I'm like, I really haven't even fully got to enjoy this color to the fullest just yet, so that might be maybe next year or middle of 2025 we're in, I don't know yet, but I already got a couple ideas for colors, so definitely stay tuned for that. Depending on how the wheels that I order are, or if I'm going to be going with the big brake kit. If it won't clear it, then I'm not even going to bother with it just yet, but if they do, big brakes will be coming as well. Feel like recently I've noticed a few things where I'm like, yeah, if I'm gonna push the car at all, I'm definitely gonna need the big brakes, but since I don't really be pushing the car, I'm good for right now. Need to get some more banners and stickers in the back, because these are basically for the different clubs that I kind of support. Battle Gang, been supporting them since, I won't say the very beginning, but I was close there when they was doing their meets in Maryland. Then the homies in Georgia with their Never Alone brand, Amir, I'm definitely supporting the homie there, but I'll get a few more. Just gotta see what the homies are selling, and I'll start putting some more up on there. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure. It'll probably be 2 to 3 weeks before the wheels are actually done, because it's already been about a week so far, so probably they say 3 to 4 weeks, so definitely looking forward to that. Trunk though, not sure when that's going to ship out, but it seems like it's been hard for people to get them in stock, so just waiting for it to get in stock, and that should be here. But yeah, also, I'm not gonna be like making any promises saying, oh, I'm about to be back all full time and doing everything, because I don't want to just put out videos to have videos out. So if I don't really have anything to really put out, I'm not gonna be just forcing content. So, but I'll definitely be doing my best to have something decent for you guys. I haven't really been going out with the lineup much lately, but then again, I haven't been going out at all, so it ain't just not linking up with them, it's just I haven't been going out. But I don't know, I've had a few focus changes lately, so I don't know, I might start going back out again. We'll see how it is once the wheels come in. That might motivate me again. But this is where she's standing at the end of 2024. Definitely let me know what you guys think. And also, even if you have suggestions on something you think I should add or not, or whatever, feel free to throw it in the comment section below. I ain't gonna guarantee that I'm gonna do exactly what you say, but you might motivate me or inspire me to do something else that I didn't even consider. So, and also, I know it's been a minute, but yeah, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. I'm not gonna go ahead and extend this one out too much longer, so yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in, for rocking with me, and for all those who've reached out to me and check on me. Definitely appreciate it. Well, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.